your console table is more than just a piece of furniture. It is the first impression of your home. In 2026, console tables have evolved into luxury decor statements, blending style, function, and personality. From entryways that welcome guests to living rooms that impress, modern console tables are the ultimate way to refresh your interiors without major renovations. In this video, we'll explore modern console table styling ideas that are easy to implement and instantly elevate your home. Console tables as functional art. Luxury console tables today are designed to be art pieces themselves. With sleek marble tops, curved silhouettes, fluted wood, or metallic frames, these pieces stand out in any space. Minimalism is key, allowing the table's lines and materials to speak for themselves. Slim legs and open frames create a sense of openness, which is ideal for smaller entryways. Positioning your console near a focal wall or window maximizes its impact, turning the table into a design centerpiece. Achieving balance and symmetry. Styling a console table is an art of balance, proportion, and flow. The rule of 3 works perfectly here, combining a tall item, a medium decorative object, and one grounding element. Symmetry creates a calm and ordered look, while slight asymmetry introduces a modern edge. Layering objects with varying heights and textures adds visual interest without cluttering the space. Remember, luxury often lies in space and intentional simplicity. Statement mirrors and wall art. No console table setup is complete without something striking above it. Oversized mirrors not only make entryways feel larger but also reflect natural light beautifully. Sculptural wall art and textured panels add depth and bring a curated gallery feel to your interiors. Rounded mirrors soften angular spaces, while rectangular or geometric frames provide a structured, contemporary look. Mirrors with metallic or textured frames double as decor even when the console below remains. Luxury materials and textures. The materials used define the mood and elegance of your console. Marble and stone tops evoke timeless luxury, while rich woods bring warmth and sophistication. Metallic accents in brass, gold, or matte black create a striking contrast and a modern touch. Layering textures with a careful balance enhances depth and refinement. To maintain cohesion, stick to 2 or 3 complementary materials and let them shine without overwhelming the space. Lighting to elevate style. Lighting transforms a console from ordinary to luxurious. Sculptural table lamps and soft diffused light instantly create a hotel-inspired atmosphere. In entryways, lighting should feel welcoming, while in living rooms, it highlights decor pieces and textures. Layering lighting by combining table lamps with overhead or wall-mounted fixtures adds depth and drama to your interiors. Curated decorative objects. Every object on a console should feel intentional. Sculptural vases, minimal trays, artistic bowls, and coffee table books help create an elevated look. Layering objects by height and texture adds interest, but fewer pieces of higher quality always appear more luxurious than many smaller items. Functional items like trays for keys or remotes can double as decor when styled thoughtfully. Greenery and natural touches. Adding plants brings life and vibrancy to a console. Tall indoor plants or sculptural branches introduce height and dimension, while small succulents or floral arrangements provide subtle color and texture. Artificial greenery can also work if real plants are not practical. Grouping 2 or 3 plants together creates a curated, modern look without overwhelming the console. Entryway versus living room styling. Console styling can differ depending on the space. In entryways, the focus should be on clean and functional surfaces, using trays or bowls for keys and small items, paired with a statement mirror for depth. In living rooms, bold styling works best, incorporating sculptural decor, layered textures, and designer books. Considering the line of sight ensures the console complements the overall flow of the room, creating harmony between furniture and decor. Seasonal and rotating decor. A luxury console evolves with the seasons and your mood. Swapping vases, candles, or other decorative accents keeps the space fresh and interesting. Using neutral base elements while adding pops of color allows for easy seasonal updates without extensive changes. maintaining a luxurious and polished appearance throughout the year. Final styling tips. Always keep height, scale, and proportion in mind when styling a console. Repeating colors or materials across objects creates harmony, and leaving negative space is equally important. Often, simplicity is the key to luxury. Choose objects with texture, color, and shine that catch the eye naturally and elevate the overall aesthetic. Luxury console styling with fixed design. A well-styled console table can instantly transform your entryway or living room. With curated decor, layered lighting, natural textures, and statement pieces, achieving a luxurious and modern interior in 2026 is easier than ever. For modern console tables, luxury decor accessories, and expert interior design solutions, visit fixitdesign.ae, your destination for premium home interiors and bespoke styling ideas. Style your home with clarity, elegance, and timeless sophistication.